Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, today here in this video we'll see how to create an account in one of the most popular website, that is Pinterest. Well, in Pinterest I just want to say you that it is used for creating boards or capturing images from internet and storing it there, as well as uploading your own pictures of interest also. So it proves to be very useful. Instead of storing the images that you have collected from internet on your hard drive of your phone, you can store it in Pinterest and access it anytime you want. So let us see how to create an account in this video in Pinterest. So for that you have to I am using an Android phone. You have to download the software, download the app of Pinterest. So in Play Store I can type Pinterest, P-I-N-T. You can see this is already suggesting. So you can see the logo of this software, that is this one, this P in a red circle. I have already downloaded it, so it is showing me to open. So once I open it, it will ask me to log in. So I have to create an account in Pinterest first. So here what I'll do, I'll type an email address. It is showing like continue with Facebook and continue with Google. So for creating an account for this video, I'll type an email ID. I'll continue. So once I do that, it's showing me like create a password. So I'll create a password here. Okay. So step 2 is over. I have created a password. And next, what's your name? I'll just type for example, the next, hyphen, how old are you, your age, or for example 21. For the sake of this video I'm doing, it's not my age. So you can it will also ask you like what gender you are, female, male. So I'll press this male, and your country you can select here. So next, so welcome to Pinterest. Pick 5 or more topics. I'll just pick some topic here. And next, all done. Pin our ideas, all these things, it will come up. So based on my interest, those 5 to 6 topics I've chosen, many things are coming up like superhero topics and all those things. So here I have created an account in Pinterest. So next time when I I'll log out. So I'll go here, I'll go to settings, then here I can log out. So once I log out, I can still continue with my email address. For example, continue. So it's asking me to enter the password. I'll enter. Okay. So this is it. Since I have created an account, so I can log in using the password right now. So for all the uses of Pinterest, how you save images in a board or how you upload or pin an image, all I'll say you in further videos. Keep watching Infotainment for that. So friends, that's it in this video. I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share this across various platforms so that many people come to know of this, how to log in Pinterest. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get more of such little technical videos to make your digital life simpler and easier. So till our next video, see you again, see you soon. Thank you.